teach you about the third experiment of the WebTech lab, and here is my web page. And as you can see, there's a shadow effect over here, and the menu, when I hover over it, there's a different color coming here, and here's a text over the image, and an image and sections of some text and a footer. I'm going to explain you how I did this. So just a sec. Okay, here is my HTML page. So the main way to link an CSS externally is using the link tag, and attributes are href and rel. Rel which should be a style sheet, and href should show the CSS file, and everything is written in the body tag. So the horizontal menu is made using the list, unordered list, using the tag ul, and here's how I use tag ul. So I gave it for each list and the height and border, and as you can see, when I hover my mouse over it, the color changes towards turquoise color. So that is using the list and the pseudo class hover. So every time I move my mouse over it, the cursor turns to a pointer and the background becomes aquamarine. As you can see, the cursors become from arrow to a pointer and the color changes. And next is the main div tag. I put an image inside the div tag. Okay, I don't know why this came. Okay, I put a main image inside the div tag. Okay. Main image inside a div tag, and welcome to our web group over the image. So to put an image in a div tag, I use the attribute background image. So I use the select, since it's an ID, I use the selector image, hashtag image, and the background image is side1.jpg, which is the background image. Then welcome to our web technology lab group is put using the paragraph tag over the image, and the size of the image is given by the height attribute and background size is the color. And next comes these three sections in the page: HTML, CSS, and JS. So these are put in an anchor tags, as you can see: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I put in an anchor tag, and every time I mouse moves over it, 1, 2, 3, P moves over the paragraph, the cursor becomes a pointer, and the background color just violet blue. Then the image is given the same. I select the class using the dot operator this time, since it's class, and I give a background image and the URL and the image name of file, and the width and height attributes are given here, and the border is set using the border tag. And last, at the end, there is just two sections where it's WebTech1 and WebTech2. I created two division tags and put the content in there, and gave a class and gave an attributes for div 5 and div 6 for a background color. So the float left, so the both should align on the same page. So I gave them float left, that means they come over each one. Then the height and border is given, and div 6 and div 7 is the last footer, which I've given an ID. So I use the hash and the ID name and the width and float left and a background color, and I don't want the background to repeat, so I use the attribute background no repeat and give a violet color. So here is my web page for the experiment.